Once upon a time, my closet exploded, and this is the story of me using Pinterest hacks to try to put it back together because it was a complete disaster. The first thing that I did was clear out and rearrange a lot of boots and winter stuff that I'm not using because it's the middle of summer, to try and set it all upright and make it appear to be organized. This wasn't really a Pinterest hack, but it did make everything look a lot nicer. Then after that, I took everything down off the hangers and put it up according to what I was the most likely to wear. So I had winter stuff in the back, and then long sleeves, and then moving into shorts. Then I needed to have space for 2 suitcases, so I shoved both of those in there. I had to move a lot of stuff around and get rid of some stuff, but a lot of it isn't mine, it's the person I'm renting the room from, so I had to mix that all up and try and make it as compact as possible.
Only a little bit more left.
Now I have the suitcases moved so that I can actually step inside the closet. Now I just need to organize stuff how it's actually hanging up. So in this back corner I have winter coats, and then I have some cosplay stuff, and then I have long sleeve shirts. I'm gonna put shorts next to it because that's really easy to grab right when I get in. And I folded up my my jeans and put them down here. I'm gonna have PJs right in front, and then other folding things. I have a bin up here with bathing suits in it, hats. This might get reorganized, and down here might get reorganized. But that's where I am right now. I tried doing the Pinterest hack of having a soda can tab space apart your 2 hangers. That did not work at all. I found that it was really difficult to take off the top shirt. They were falling all over the floor. It just was not practical, and I ended up not using that. So that was a Pinterest fail. Here's more of me folding clothes and whatnot. I ended up going out and getting a lot of bins for each individual thing, so one for pajamas, one for underwear, one for socks, one for long sleeve shirts that I don't wear very often, and I found that that was the thing that made it look the most cohesive and was the easiest to use, because then even if I didn't fold something perfectly, it was at least in there and it looked more organized. And then this is how my closet ended up looking. I had shirts on one side, pants on the other, and then long sleeves and winter clothing on the outside, with all of my bins in the middle so they were easy to access, and towels on the lower rack, and then hats on the upper rack along with swimwear and work shirts. And I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Even when you look in the top of most of the lids, it looks pretty nicely folded, so it does make it appear as though it is organized. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out some of my other stuff, and I'll try to have more videos like this up in the future. Have a great rest of your day. Boop!